Lisbon Airport, also known as Humberto Delgado Airport, is the main international airport in Lisbon, Portugal. It is located about 7 kilometers from the city center and serves as a major hub for both domestic and international flights. The airport has two terminals, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, with Terminal 1 being the main terminal for most airlines. Lisbon Airport offers a range of facilities including shops, restaurants, lounges, and car rental services. It is well connected to the city center by public transportation, including buses, metro, and taxis, making it easy for travelers to reach their destinations. At Lisbon Airport, the check-in process is straightforward and efficient. Upon arrival, locate the check-in counters in either Terminal 1 or Terminal 2. Depending on your airline and flight, look for the signage or consult the airport's information screens for guidance. Ensure you have your travel documents, such as your passport and boarding pass, readily available. Approach the check-in counter and present your documents to the airline staff. They will verify your information, weigh your luggage, and issue your boarding pass. If you have already checked in online or have an e-ticket, you may proceed directly to the baggage drop-off counters after passing through security. Here, you can hand over your checked luggage to the airline staff. After completing the check-in process, proceed to the security checkpoint to undergo the necessary security procedures. Remember to follow the airport's guidelines regarding liquids, electronics, and other restricted items. Lisbon Airport offers a variety of duty-free shops, where travelers can shop for a range of products at tax-free prices. The duty-free shops at Lisbon Airport are located in both Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, providing options for passengers departing from either terminal. duty-free shops at Lisbon Airport are well-stocked and provide a pleasant shopping experience. The staff is generally helpful and knowledgeable, ready to assist you with any inquiries or recommendations. It's worth noting that duty-free shopping is only available to passengers who are traveling outside the European Union or to specific destinations within the EU, with certain duty-free allowances. Make sure to check the duty-free allowances and restrictions that apply to your specific journey. Duty-free shops offer a wide selection of products, including cosmetics, fragrances, skincare products, alcohol, tobacco, confectionery, fashion accessories, electronics, and souvenirs. You can find popular international brands as well as local Portuguese products. Whether you're looking for a last-minute gift, a special bottle of wine, or simply want to indulge in some retail therapy, the duty-free shops at Lisbon Airport offer a convenient and diverse shopping experience for travelers.
stars.